Hi guys, so today's video we're going to do my 5-minute Instabrow. This is a really quick, fast tutorial to show you how I do my eyebrows in under 5 minutes with minimal product. So the first thing I'm going to do is just brush my brow hairs in an upward motion using a spoolie brush. Next, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I am using the shade in dark brown, and I am just shaping my brow out at the bottom half, just drawing a straight line, and now I'm going to fill in with little tiny hair-like strokes until I get my desired shape. Next, I'm just going to start working on my tail area. I am just going to slowly fill it in. Be very precise when you're working on your tail because that's where most of your definition is going to come from. And I'm just filling in some areas and finishing up the brow. Next, I'm just going to take that spoolie again and comb out the hairs. This is going to help blend any harsh lines that we have in our brows, and it's also going to make it look a lot softer. Next, go ahead and take any pomade that you have. It doesn't have to be Dip Brow. I just have this from the drugstore, and I'm going to use this to fill in over top of the Brow Wiz. This is going to darken the hue of my brows and also make them a little more permanent, like smudge proof, water resistant, sweat resistant. This is really going to stay on. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Pro Base, I believe this is called. This is just like a highlighting stick. I like to use it underneath my brow before I put my concealer on. That way I have a nice guide and I can go ahead and trace my brow. Next, take your beauty blender and I'm just blending that out so I can get a nice seamless line. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take the concealer from Black Opal. This is in their concealer shade. I'm using the shade Tan. This is my favorite brow concealer. I love this concealer. I'm almost out, but just take it on your angled brow brush and trace over the Anastasia Pro Base. So this is actually going to give our brows a nice, cleaned up and defined look. Okay, here I'm just touching up my brow with more of the pomade. So if you guys got some concealer in your brow hairs, that's fine. Just touch it up, you know, reshape it. It's fine. Fill it in. Here I'm just adding some finishing touches to the brow. And guys, I think we should be wrapping it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.